Bath & Body Works has released their fall candles, at least the first wave of the fall candles, you all. And not only that, they did an amazing sale not too long ago. They did a $12.95 sale, plus they did an additional 20% off flash sale online with free shipping. So yes, I had to take advantage and I did a haul. So let's get on into it. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The SANTAMARIA here. Yes, fall candle haul from Bath & Body Works. This is going to be the first of probably about 3 because fall normally comes in waves at Bath & Body Works, and we're just getting started. Lipstick of the day today, everyone. I was feeling very fall-esque already because it's gloomy, it's raining, kind of chilly out a little bit already. It's giving early fall. So my lipstick is from Maybelline, you all, and this is Maybe It's Intense 104, and it's a satin finish. I did a whole video series showing these new lipsticks from Maybelline here on the channel. Definitely check that out. But you all, I told you all in the video this would be amazing for fall, and here we are. It's a nice brownie raisiny type of color. I have it paired with MAC Vino Pencil, which is a wine color, and it just works for today's look. Now the lip is giving fall, but the fragrance of the day is giving summer. I mean, basically that's August for you, transitioning from summer to fall, it seems. But the fragrance of the day, you all, is from Memo Paris, and this is Tamarindo. This is primarily a pineapple fragrance. Very summery, pineapple and patchouli to be exact. There's other notes in here too, but I just like that it's a dressed up, more so Sunday type of perfume version of a pineapple scent. So I really appreciate that one, and I was craving it today. So while fragrance of the day is Tamarindo from Memo Paris. And now let's get into these fall candles. At the time when these came out, they were all online exclusives, but now they are available in store, so I just want to note that. But you all, I could not resist, and I couldn't chance it because Bath & Body Works will leave something as an online exclusive and actually mean that. So while this first one is a tried and true classic, I get one every year for fall, at least when they have it. And I'm talking about this one right here, you all, Pumpkin Peanut Brittle. This is just a quintessential fall candle to me. So we have notes of crunchy caramel brittle, we have salty peanuts and toasted pumpkin seeds. And when I say this smells like that scent that I know and love and I get every time it comes out, I had to get it. I do like the labels too. Very simple, straight to the point, but just old school classic fall. So this is one, I love the packaging. I love the scent most importantly. And then it was on sale, so it just made sense to go ahead and get it. So Pumpkin Peanut Brittle, you're in the collection now. Now this next candle, this was the main reason I needed to order in the first place, and this is Cider Lane, because last year, you all, Cider Lane was online exclusive for basically all of fall, and it never came in store, at least in my area it didn't. So I'm glad I placed an order and I got 2 of them. This year I saw it was online exclusive, at least at the time of the sale, and I was like, you know what, I'm not going to chance it because again, last year it stayed online exclusive. And I love this scent. One of the true classic old school Bath & Body Works fragrances that is absolutely worth the hype, and I stand by this one. So now I'm gonna get one every year it's available. So you all, we have notes of warm caramel, Granny Smith apple, we have dark brown sugar and ground clove in here. This is a caramel apple scent is what it is. It just smells like the carnival, it smells like the fair, but most importantly, the caramel apples that you can get at the fair to me. And I just really appreciate this. I don't get as much of the clove in here. At least on cold, I don't. I will say that's probably one of those notes that comes out more when you burn it. And to be fair, last year it did come out when I burned it, but so far I'm not getting it right now on cold. I'm hoping I get it in the burn. But wow, this just smells so good. This is one I need to be cold, I need to be cooler. I'm talking sweatshirt, sweater weather, and then I burn this one. It's gonna be everything. I've probably gotta wait another couple of months for that. That's okay. I already have my Cider Lane in my stash, and we're gonna be okay. Now this next fragrance, there was a lot of hype around this one. This was also an online exclusive at the time, you all, and this is a returning classic. This is Cranberry Pumpkin. Never smelled this one. This was before my time, at least here on YouTube and talking about candles and fragrance. But you all, Cranberry Pumpkin, I was like, ooh, I love cranberries, by the way, one of my absolute favorite type of fruits, particularly cold weather type of fruits. So you all, we have sweet cranberry, we have creamy pumpkin, and we have a hint of warm vanilla. And I said, okay, that couldn't be a bad situation. I adore this. This is primarily a cranberry scent. Now on cold, I'm not getting too much of the pumpkin. It's there subtly, but I'm hoping it comes out more in the burn. We're going to see what happens, but At least on cold sniff, the fact that I'm getting more of the cranberry, which is my favorite note of the two, I'm okay with that. And then I'm hoping more of the sweetness comes out as well. But all in all, I'm excited about this one. This smells like a cranberry scent that I'm enjoying. And we don't really get cranberry type of candles every day. So I'm excited about this one coming back. And I get why all the old heads have been excited about this one. Next up, you all, this is also an old scent that has finally come back. It had a different name, but you all, this is Nutmeg and Spice, also an online exclusive. I want to say this was like White Barn #1 back in the day, and I have smelled that candle, so I have smelled the old version, because when I smelled this I said this is familiar, so I think it's that. So notes for Nutmeg and Spice are spiced nutmeg, sugared cinnamon, and vanilla chestnut. This is absolutely a nutmeg scent. This is a nutmeg spiced type of fragrance. I smell the vanilla in here. This is the most quintessential, whether it's early fall or late fall going into the holiday season candle. This one is truly the one that encompasses the entirety of fall to me. And in my opinion, nutmeg and spice, if you're looking for, say, a signature smell for your home where you just buy a crate of just one scent because that's the scent you want your home to smell like for the next season, I think nutmeg and spice is the one to go with. This just smells like signature scent worthy to me, as I would say with a perfume review. I'm applying that same logic with this candle. This just smells like I would not mind my house smelling like this for 3 months. I don't mind it. And I don't think guests would be mad at this either. So nutmeg and spice will be the signature scent worthy one for your home. I love this candle. This is a yes. Next up, you all, I picked up the Toasted Graham Latte candle. And I said, okay, graham cracker latte. I am a coffee girl, love my coffee every morning. So I was like, okay, this should be up my alley. So we have notes of toasted graham cracker, vanilla bean, buttery toffee chip, and a drop of espresso. And yes, this smells good. This smells like you're sitting in a coffee shop and you eat one of the desserts they have behind the counter, like a coffee cake or something with it, or something crispy in particular, because there is something like a crispness to this, like a type of cookie you would eat while drinking your coffee or espresso. That is the vibe of this to me. So you all, Toasted Graham Latte, this is one I feel like I would burn more so in November. It needs to truly be fall, truly be heading into the holiday season for me with this one. But I'm happy to have it now, just to already have it in my stash, and I'll just put it up and save it into then. But you all, Toasted Graham Latte, this is nice. Very foodie with a touch of coffee. I like it. And the last candle I picked up, you all, I had to pick this one up because I've been buying this ever since it first came out, and this is Dutch Apple Waffles. It took a break for a little bit, but then it came back last fall and I picked it up then, and then of course they brought it back this year. It was online only, so of course I was like, I can't chance it, so I had to get a Dutch Apple Waffles, y'all. So notes wise, we have warm buttermilk waffles, baked apple slices, and we also have ground nutmeg in here. This is so good. I get the batter in here. I get the spices. I get the apples in here. This is a fall scent, fall foodie scent. And what I appreciate about this though, it doesn't go pancakey and syrupy sweet, like say pumpkin pecan waffles. This is a completely different candle. So if you're on the fence about the two, they are completely different. You could absolutely pick up both of them if you wanted to. But for me, this one is about the spices and the true fruit, which is apple in here. I love it. And I'm an apple person. I personally love Honeycrisp apples with peanut butter. It's one of my favorite snacks. So if it's an apple candle, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to love it. But how they paired it in here with that warm buttermilk waffle situation, yes. Dutch Apple Waffles absolutely is a fall candle. And don't be surprised if I pick up another one before the season is over with too. So all right, everyone, that wraps up my candle haul. I ended up picking up, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. So that's a true crate. And I figured, you know what, that's a good starting point to do because again, it's early. This candle sale was in late July. And as we know, fall comes out in waves. We got some more fall to go. We got August fall coming. Of course, we got to get to September, and then more so after September. Once we get into October, then we get into holiday then at that point. But all in all, I want to have a good starting point. And while we're here, you all, I decided to check online to see what's still online exclusive and what isn't out of what I picked up. So just looking at the website at the time I'm filming this video, Dutch Apple Waffles is still an online exclusive. Yes, Cranberry Pumpkin, Toasted Graham Latte, Nutmeg and Spice, Pumpkin Peanut Brittle, all of those are still online exclusives. The only one out of my batch that isn't an online exclusive, meaning it's now available in store, is the Cider Lane candle. To see this makes me happy because that lets me know that they are holding strong with this online exclusive thing. So I'm glad I picked up the candles I picked up. while I did, plus at the price, because we love a good deal. So let me know what you think about my candle haul. Also, have you picked up any fall candles, or are you still in the summer mindset? Have you also started to burn your fall candles? Now personally, I'm not ready to do that yet. It's still hot. We're still having tropical rainstorms, it seems, and scattered showers all the time here. But you all, I just at least want to go ahead and stock up, so when I am truly ready to burn my fall candles, which for me is after Labor Day, then I'll be fully ready to go. So let me know what you think about the haul. Let me know what you think about Bath & Body Works fall collection so far. And yeah, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.